Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Spotify Premium for free in 2022. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up Safari. Here you can open up Google Chrome if you're on Android. It doesn't necessarily matter. You can do this on your iPhone. Android computer doesn't matter. Now, once we're here in Google, we are going to type in Spotify 3 months free. Now, the cool thing is that you can get Spotify for free for 3 months through this Spotify link right here. Says get 3 months of Spotify Premium for free in 2022. So I'm going to tap on that. And it is a PayPal offer where you can see it says start free trial. So I'm going to tap on start free trial here. What you're going to want to do is you can go down and say sign up for an account, and you can enter in your email, password, date of birth, all of that stuff. And you can at the bottom hit sign up. The key here is that you need a PayPal account to sign up for this 3 months for free. But you can cancel at any points and not pay, and you'll just get those 3 months for free. And then after that, if you don't necessarily want to use your PayPal account to pay for this, you can always switch it over so that it uses a credit card or a debit card instead of PayPal to pay for that premium subscription after that. So go through, enter in all of this information, and then you will get 3 months for free. And then they'll start billing you monthly after those first 3 months. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.